Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Ford Transit Campervan is a versatile mobile home that combines comfort, state-of-the-art technology, and rugged off-road capability. It aims to meet the needs of tourists who desire flexibility and independence. Flexible interior design. A campervan's interior is designed to be as roomy and functional as feasible. Features like a foldable bed, a fully functional kitchenette, and ingenious storage solutions let travelers to live comfortably while traveling. Furthermore, eco-friendly materials are used inside without compromising durability. Modern technology. The Transit Campervan boasts a voice control system, a long-distance driving-specific navigation system, a seamless wireless connection, and a cutting-edge digital interface. Driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping aid, and a collision avoidance system ensure a safe and pleasurable driving experience. Off-road capability. Thanks to an enhanced suspension system and dynamic driving modes, this campervan can handle a range of road conditions with stability and control. All-terrain tires, sliding glass doors, front reverse sensors, high top, and extended length. Trailer brakes, heated mirrors, reverse sensors, and a tow hitch connection system. Rugged exterior design. The Transit Campervan's exterior is built to withstand inclement weather and uneven terrain. With an additional roof rack, passengers may carry bicycles and camping gear. Eco-friendly powertrains. Ford is offering hybrid and all-electric power options for the 2026 Transit Campervan. This illustrates Ford's commitment to sustainability and provides choices for environmentally conscious consumers. These options can help reduce emissions and increase fuel efficiency, making them ideal for long-distance driving. The 2026 Ford Transit Campervan offers an unmatched experience by combining the comforts of home with the flexibility of travel.